guys, welcome to another episode of Business Properties. I will be your host Sarah, and let me Felix introduce myself.
My name is Maximilian. I'm Sharon.
How have you guys been?
I'm not again. I get better.
It's okay.
It's okay, Cindy.
But the real to unalala aje?
Unalala aje while people are looking for lunch?
I take 1 hours of sleep.
Yes, you should. You should. The real you should.
Dr. Sharon, how are you?
I'm great. Mother's Day is here.
I know, right?
Celebrating our mother, our women, our strong women,
I know.
independent women. Wamekuwa na sisi. Hey, hawa mama wametushikilia. Hey, God bless them.
We cannot overlook things that they have done for us. They are praying for us, taking care of us, being mentors, their mothers who have provided us. Yes, yeah. Even that married woman, Bado, who is taking care of their family, balancing it off, it's hey, I don't know.
But then the same time inakupea pressure.
We can only celebrate them.
Always.
If you think about it, Sahi, there's somebody who is a mother. She's working. She has her own things going on. Can you imagine?
Actually, I have this trend that has been online for some time. I'm not sure if I'm appear for your FYP.
Yeah.
But you get it's mothers doing this thing, like I decided to be a mother. So anapata kama ile mshangaa mom naumwa na hapa. Anakuwa daktari. Mom niko na njaa.
Chef.
Mom sihesabu.
Mwalimu.
Accountant pia bado mahesabu.
Tukacheze.
Those roles are so many.
And they handle it gracefully.
Yes, they do.
Yeah.
Unaanguka, anakucorrect, anakuchukua, anakurekebisha, unakosea tena kitu amekuona, anakutake back.
And pia those mothers who have been mentors, you know, a mother, we have our own mothers, but those ladies that you've met in offices that have guided to you, I mean, we do not take that for granted. And let alone hizo vitu tumesema zote wanafanya, still having a woman who is able to tell you, Sarah, this is not what you should be doing, this is the way you should go. I mean, hey, kongole kwa tunavua kofia.
Hata si kofia tu, ni kama tutawavulia.
We respect them so much.
Mahali nilipitia jana, and I was like, I'm not even sure I'm ready to be a mother.
Yeah. I think that's a conversation we should have. I reflected on that yesterday, and I was like just remembering my closest, like my mom Sasa, the things that they have done for me, the things that she does, and I was like, ay, niko ready kweli. I'm not, like I can't even step kwa hizo viatu kabisa, niko mbali kabisa. And then coming to the office, bado you see those women that we follow, like those women that lead us.
Okay.
I know. That's the question that I was asking myself yesterday, and then I was like, we are headed there. Probably we will be. Yeah. The shoes that we go to wear, but it is not easy. Mothers, we love you so much. We appreciate you. We respect you. I don't know. And before Sasa tumalize, we are wishing you a happy Mother's Day. Make sure you celebrate your mom.
Yes.
Yeah. The single mothers, the ones that have lost their kids, the ones that are struggling, feel celebrated today. And today we'll be discussing about things I overlooked before understood learn and how the knowledge has changed me.
Me first of all, I thought shamba ni kwa wanaume.
Yeah.
Sikuwa kitu nimeweza ni kwa mwanamke. Not until Maximilian siniambia thought shamba ni za wanawake.
Okay, I think I've grown up in an environment whereby most property in my family is an jina ya mama for some reason I don't know why. So because like even if I'm going to help my dad do something like na sasa hii nifanye anaambia chukua jina mamako na ID hapo, like everything, kama naomba properties, money, everything in that jina. So it's not, but it's okay, it's still okay.
Mimi nimetoka huko Mrema huko ndani huko msitu, so mimi nilijua everything is owned by a man.
Wow.
Okay, especially land. The fact that mwanaume ndo anatoa 1 million wake ende abai shamba, title deed ni yake.
Oh, okay.
Not until nikajua like hata as a woman unaweza invest in land.
Empowered woman you are.
No, si ati lazima like you have to meet with your husband or something.
Yeah.
But unaweza invest peke yako. Unaweza nunua shamba peke yako, unaweza nunua gari peke yako, unaweza fanya everything peke yako. Unaweza lea watoto peke yako. Yeah.
Oh my God. Empowered you are. And that's amazing. Yeah. And how has that helped you as a person? Like, how do you...
At this point, I feel pia mimi sasa nimepata hiyo courage ya come out like I can own something on myself. I can own a deed on myself. And the fact that actually you don't have to start big with just 100,000. Kama for example hapa zima tunapeana shamba na 100. Unakuja unaekea 100k hapo na hiyo sasa unalipa pole pole bila stress. 2 years.
It has given you confidence.
Ni pesa ile za invest. Gari unaweza buy na microfinance, 100% microfinance. So at this point I feel like hakuna kitu ni limited to a woman.
Yeah. You can do anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
Anything. I feel say power equal. The fact that hata ladies pia wako huko parliament, wako everywhere. Sai hakuna kitu limited to ladies. So I feel ladies wanafaa come out now.
That's good. Max Nila.